Imagine you're building a house. You have a blueprint but no tools or materials. How would you organize everything? That's where project management tools come in. In today's fast-paced digital world, efficient project management is crucial. One popular tool is Trello, a visual collaboration platform that helps teams organize tasks and collaborate seamlessly. But what if Trello isn't the perfect fit for your team? Are there other options out there that can offer similar functionality or unique features? In this video, we'll dive deep into Trello's closest competitors and explore what sets them apart. Competitor 1. Asana. Asana is often mentioned alongside Trello as one of the top project management tools. It offers a similar Kanban board interface but with a more robust feature set. Here's a quick comparison. Kanban boards. Both Trello and Asana use Kanban boards as their primary interface. Features. Asana provides more advanced features like custom fields, dependencies, and time tracking. Target audience. Asana might be a better choice for larger teams or those with complex projects. Let's take a look at a quick demo of Asana's features. Competitor 2, Jira. Jira is a popular choice for software development teams. While it offers project management capabilities, it's primarily designed for agile development methodologies. Key differences include focus. Jira is more focused on software development, while Trello and Asana are more general-purpose project management tools. Features. Jira offers features like issue tracking, bug reporting, and integration with development tools. Target audience. Jira is ideal for software development teams using agile methodologies. Here's a brief overview of Jira's core features. Competitor 3. Monday.com. Monday.com is a flexible platform that allows you to customize your workflow to fit your specific needs. It offers a variety of board views and automation features. Key points to consider. Customization. Monday.com is highly customizable, allowing you to create custom fields, workflows, and automations. Features. It offers features like time tracking, resource management, and integrations with popular apps. Target audience. Monday.com is suitable for teams of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. Let's explore some of Monday.com's unique features in a quick demo. Competitor 4. Basecamp. Basecamp is a more traditional project management tool with a focus on simplicity and ease of use. It offers a centralized hub for communication, tasks, and files. Key differences include simplicity. Basecamp is known for its minimalist interface and easy-to-use features. Features. It offers features like messaging, file sharing, and scheduling. Target audience. Basecamp is a good choice for small teams looking for a simple and straightforward project management solution. Here's a quick overview of Basecamp's core features. Choosing the right tool. Now that we've explored some of Trello's closest competitors, how do you decide which one is right for your team? Consider the following factors. Team size and complexity. Larger teams with complex projects might benefit from more advanced features offered by tools like Asana or Jira. Industry and workflow. If you're in software development, Jira might be a better fit. For general-purpose project management, Trello, Asana, or Monday.com could be good options. Features and integrations. Consider the specific features you need and whether the tool integrates with other tools your team uses. Cost. Evaluate the pricing plans of each tool to find one that fits your budget. Try out a few different tools to see which one works best for your team's workflow. While Trello is a popular choice, it's important to explore other options to find the best fit for your team's needs. Asana, Jira, Monday.com, and Basecamp are all viable alternatives, each with its own unique strengths and weaknesses. Ultimately, the best tool for you will depend on your specific requirements and preferences. By carefully considering factors like team size, industry, features, and cost, you can make an informed decision and choose the project management tool that will help your team succeed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.